At first glance, this looks like a machine straight out of a sci-fi nightmare. But this giant actually existed, and it walked. This is the Soviet walking dragline excavator, model ESH 6.5/45, built in 1979. It was created for one reason, to work where the ground was too soft for any normal machine. Instead of wheels or tracks that would sink, this monster uses a giant walking foot. It lifts its 280-ton body, slides the foot forward, and plants itself down again, step by step, slow, heavy, relentless, like a mechanical creature crawling across the earth.